Good morning. This is Michelle Terriez doing a short video for our Assistive Technology course about how to use the dictate or speech-to-text functionality in Microsoft Word. In a new document here, I'm working on the online version. So this is in the online version, not in the desktop app. It's got this simplified ribbon. Not all the functionalities are here. But I usually ask the students to put it a little bit bigger because it's easier for them to see what they're saying. And then all you have to do is click this little button over here, dictate. You do have to have a working microphone, but let's go ahead and try it. Good afternoon. This is my report on Barack Obama. Barack Obama was President of the United States. He did a great job. Okay, so you can see that using the keys on the keyboard to advance the document and sort of put periods and go back in and do a little edit for the spelling is still necessary. It's not flawless, but if you have a student who really struggles to get language on the page, this can be a great advantage. Let's take a look at it in the desktop app. It looks a little bit different, but the functionality is the same. So again, when students are doing that dictation, they can speak a sentence and then just hit the return key if they want to go on the next line. Okay, some reason it's defaulted to 11, so I'm going to put it up a little bit bigger so we can see it. Okay, so my it's here, and here it is on dictate. It's right on the home screen, all the way over to the right, and I have my microphone plugged in. Okay, hit dictate. This feature can help students who have dyslexia or encoding or decoding issues. Period. See, you can't dictate your punctuation. You have to enter it. Although I think I put that in there, I think. All right. So this functionality is great, even if you're going to write yourself a short note. I mean, it's not, I don't know how workable it is for that type of activity, but for students who really struggle to get information down on the page, I had a student last year who just could not get a particular project done, and he had it all in his head, but to write it all out was just an overwhelming task for him. But I set him up with a microphone, and he dictated it, and then he felt pretty empowered. He went in, and he didn't have any trouble editing it once the words were on the page. He had all the information. He could just read it right from their notes, right into their document. Obviously, some concerns, you want to make sure they're not reading some other website straight into your document, but as with any work with plagiarism, you're still going to be looking at the document for that. Okay, so here we are with the dictate feature, either in the online version of Word or the full desktop app. Hope you enjoy it.